How to fix the device is not Play Protect certified error on your Android device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And if you have ever flashed a ROM on your device and you get the device is not Play Protect certified, we are going to fix that issue in this specific video without having to root your device. Now, all the applications, all the APKs, whatever we are using in this video is linked in the description of the video. Now, the worst part here is that you will not be able to access Chrome browser because your device is not Play Protect certified. So you will have to install some other browser. Now we are using MIUI over here. However, if you're using any other Android operating system or say a fork of Android or a skin of Android, then the steps will remain the same. Just use any file manager which will let you install APKs. So here it is. These are the two APKs which you need. First one is device ID, and then we are using Firefox. You are free to use any other browser which you want to. So let us first go ahead and install the Firefox browser, and of course super secure MIUI. I have to read all of this and then select OK. So we just need to wait for 2 or 1 or 0 more seconds. Select OK, go back, install this Firefox APK. Now once that is done, we can always go back, and then we do need to install the device ID APK. So next up we are going to install that one. Once that is done, we can go to our home screen, and then we can bring both of these applications to our home screen because it just makes our life a bit easier. Now make sure you are connected to the internet and you are going to get that device is not Play Protect certified notification every time. I know it is super irritating, but we are going to fix it. So we are going to open this application, which is your device ID, give it the permission it wants, and select OK. Now what we are looking for over here is this Google Service Framework. We need this, so select this and then say copy. Again, all you need to do is tap on this, select copy. Now this has been successfully copied to our clipboard. Next up, open whatever browser you have installed and give it whatever permission it asks for. And then for Firefox, we are going to say search or enter address. And herein we need to search for devices not Play Protect certified. So let me type that in. Now, once you search for devices not Play Protect certified, you will see fix issues with your Play Protect certification. We are going to tap on this, and herein we are going to say device isn't certified. Go on this, and then you need to go to this specific link, register your device. Now again, I have linked this page directly in the description of the video in case you want to use. So herein we need to sign in with our Google account which we want to use on this specific device. So let me go ahead and sign in. Now, once you have signed in successfully, you will reach this page of device registration, and herein, remember we had copied the Google Services Framework ID. Tap on this, and all you need to do is press and hold and say paste, and then the next thing you need to do is tap on this I am not a robot, and then complete the captcha as well. So let me choose the traffic lights over here. Now once that is done, you see the green check mark, the services framework ID over here is also populated. All you need to do is say register. Now we got the notification that device is registered. Next thing what you need to do is you will go into settings, and then you will go into your application settings, manage apps, three dot menu on the top right, and say show all apps. Now we are going to search for Play. So you will get Play services and you will get the Play Store. We will first go into Play services, and we are going to say clear data, and we are going to say manage space, clear all the data, select OK. Then we can go back, go into Google Play Store, clear data, clear all data, select OK, and once that is done, we are going to reboot our device once. Back into MIUI, we can unlock our device, and at this point you should be good to go. You should no longer be getting that device is not Play Protect certified error. However, do note sometimes it takes like 4 or 5 minutes for the changes to propagate from the Google server to your device. So just be patient. Once you have registered your Google Services Framework ID and Wait for a few minutes, you should be good to go. And there it is, peeps. That is how you fix the device is not Play Protect certified error. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.